Hello, this video is for most common problem that you will have with your steam boiler on Saeco Royale Professional or Digital Plus, or with your Saeco Incanto also, because this is for Incanto, it's smaller boiler, and the bigger boiler is for Saeco Royale Professional. So what is the main problem with this type of boilers? You can see here a little hole, and from this hole it starts to leak steam and water, and obviously you have to replace the boiler. So if you're inclined to have this problem, you can replace it only with another one like this boiler. But if you have Saeco Royale Professional or Digital Plus and you don't have the same boiler, you can use a different boiler for this machine, because you have bigger space also, and what you can put on the place of this boiler is this type of boilers, which is again is Saeco boiler. And this boiler for the first generation of Saeco Royale Professionals, this was used for steam boilers, and I can show you the brass fitting here. This is original for you can see here it's a big hole, and this piece is original for the first generation of Saeco Royale Professionals, and you almost cannot find this type of brass fitting for replace your other boiler, so you have to make this, and I will show you in a few steps how to make this. And this is original, and this is what I made. You can see this is a normal brass support with the steam with the valve, boiler valve, and you can make it to look like this. So let me show you. This is like this, okay, and you can see here this is the two types of brass supports. So first you have to cut this piece of brass here. You have to drill a hole with 8.5 millimeter drilling bit all the way, and you have to use to make a thread with 1/8. It's a special tool, so you can make, you can see here the thread. Also you need 3 millimeters, so you can make here thread, so we can put a plug with this type of bolt. I use stainless steel. I can show you. Okay. Of course you have to put glue here, and it stays here, and it's something like a plug. And you can use this on the boiler that you create. So here now you can attach different types of brass fittings. So if you need to replace this boiler, of course you have a hole here and you don't need this boiler. So what you have to do is remove it again, Okay, you have to use the sensors. Okay, and because you have, if you replace this boiler, you need these fittings. So what can you do? First, you cut these rings. If you can see these rings, you cut it, and then little diagonal start cut the aluminum tube. Not so much, so you can unscrew the fittings, and then of course reuse it. These fittings are from this type of boilers, and you can reuse them here. And you can see again the hose is going, okay, and this is how you make this. Also, you probably will need to change two of these bolts with the longer bolts, because you have to remove these two supports for the old boiler, and the longer bolts, you have to make two holes here so they can go from the other side with two nuts, so your new boiler can stay on this metal support. And this is one of the ways, if you don't have this type of boiler, or it's difficult to find, or it's expensive, you can, and you have this type of boiler with again this support that you can make. You can use this boiler for the steam boiler that you have. So that's for this video. Thank you for watching.